Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're in Nicosia and we've passed the crossing point. We're going to have a look at some of the old architecture around this place. There's the hicklety-picklety comfortable bench. Hello. Oh, there's some bikes you can hire. Well, we're going to stroll around and have a look around, as I said, see what there is around this area. There's some amazing architecture, some lovely old buildings. Oh, look at that one over there. Right, let's go down this narrow road. I think this one looks very interesting. Now, always look up. Oh, look at this tailor shop. Look at that building there. Look at a curved window. Very 1960s, isn't it, guys? And next door, much older building. Still got the original old roof. They've replaced the doors, unfortunately, and the balconies could do with some sort of renovation. Apart from that, lovely. Oh wow, look at these ones. Amazing bay windows sticking out there. Now I think that might have been a balcony originally on both of them, and then they built them up. Then it started to collapse. They haven't put a metal RSJ, they just left the wood, and the whole lot started to collapse. Now some of it's lava and plaster. See that one that's got a wooden frame and then lava and plaster on top, and I think that's the same. Yeah, if you look closely, that's the same. It looks like brick, but it's not. Oh look, that looks like an old town hall. Don't forget guys, when you come across here, put your phone on flight mode, because you'll pay a lot of money to receive and make calls on your phone over here. So don't forget, put your phone on flight mode. As I say, look at this lovely building. Which way should we go? I think we should go that way, guys. I mean, it's tempting to go down this lovely narrow road with some old warehouses, but I want to go down here. I want to head towards that mosque straight ahead. It looks like it's under renovation at the moment. There, this is the old building. Oh, once was a cafe. I don't think it was originally a cafe, and now it's not a cafe no more. It's a no more building. It does nothing. Look, I wonder if that's a extension, that bay. I wonder if that was a balcony. I don't think it was. Yeah, very 1940s. Oh, we've got a date, 1934. Most of the buildings made from mud bricks. They're exposed on the right hand side. Ooh, let's have a look around here. Oh, look at this old warehouse building on the left. I like this house here. Let's just have a look at this house first, and then we'll go on in that direction towards the mosque. There, stand back, number 5. Hasn't got a date on it. There we can see the lovely timber frame and then all the plaster work in between. That is lovely. Can we peep in, do you think? Let's have a look. Let's have a look inside. Oh yeah, I can see lovely big staircase. Oh, really nice. Okay, let's go down there, guys. I don't know if the camera caught that. I only got a little glimpse of it. I couldn't get the camera right inside. Now, I think this is an old warehouse building. Oh, there's a lovely little mosque. Look at that one there. We missed that one. Should we head for the big one or should we try the little one first? We'll head for the big one, guys, because that one seems to be right behind all the shops. Look, there's some more warehouse type buildings, I would have thought, or retail outlets. They've got original shutters. Perhaps they were shops or workshops. Oh, look at these shutters. Oh, they've put some metal struts around this doorway. It's about to collapse. Look, can you see big cracks down there? So they've supported it with these metal beams. Inside, all the plaster work's gone. Yeah, again, it's mud brick. Of course, stone on the bottom. They've always stone on the bottom. We've seen this many places where we've got stone on the bottom, then mud bricks on top. And I think the walls inside are mud brick, but the whole facade on the outside is solid stone. Look at these original old shutters on these shops. That would have been a garage you're standing in front of. Little independent businesses all along here. What we've got on the top, are they flats? Yeah, apartments at the top, look. You see? Right, let's go down here, should we? Oh, look at this. Number 30. All locked up. 30A. Oh, buildings being carved up. 30A and B. This is the entrance for A. See if we can have a look inside. Oh, just about seen sides, guys. Not a lot to see in there. There's a ghost sign. Yeah, I'm not too sure what that says, but it's limited. Was a limited company. Which way would you like to go? I think we should go this way, heading towards the mosque. Oh, lovely balcony garden, look at that. Wonderful. In between those two buildings. Oh, that was someone. Right, should we go left or right? Oh, let's go right, guys. Yeah. Oh, look at this, an old tomb. Look at this old tomb. Oh, it's two old tombs, look. You see that one here? Right on the street. And then there's a small one within the building. Oh, we've got some information up there. The Ottoman tomb of a commander. There it is. And look at the fruit next door. What is that? Marrows, are they? Are they marrows? I think they might be, guys. It's got marrows growing off the balcony. Well, that's different. Looks really good. Great idea. And what's next door to the tombs? 1933, this building, number 26. Yeah. Oh, we've got a hole in the door we can peek through. Oh. Yeah. Oh, there we are. I think that's being used at the moment. Yeah, look at these industrial type buildings with apartments on the top. I like these old shutters, the original old shutters. Look, it's got the key here. Even they're quite old shutters, guys. Look, in that bike shop. Now look at this, number 12. Oh, the roof's gone. Let's have a look. Let's peep inside. Oh, I can't reach. I can put the camera there. Right, which way should we go? I think we're going to head towards the mosque, but we missed the mosque, so we're going to turn right down here, and you can see the mosque straight ahead. There we are. Look, just in case the museum's closed, guys, we're going to the motorbike museum. We've got a moped mechanic down here, and look at these two, these little Suzukis. What date do you think they're from?
Late 70s.
Late 70s. There we are. We're waiting for restoration. The rest of it's quite modern. Now let's go down here, shall we? Yeah, look at this old building here, number 13. It's all collapsed. Right, let's go down here on the right. See what else we can find. These buildings are fascinating. Look, another warehouse type building, or is it a garage? Garage and a house, maybe. Definitely a house here on the left. Yeah, definitely houses along here, guys. Number 2's a house. Yeah, now that would go through to a courtyard, my guess. You get quite a lot of that in the villages, and I think that's the house, little extension, and then through to the courtyard. We'll soon find out when we turn left here in the front of the house, and we can see. Oh, wrong. I thought I was totally right there. I was so convinced I was right. No, they're little warehouses, look, or shops or workshops. You see. And they go right back. Oh, look at this lovely old building. Oh, it narrows down here on the left. Now don't forget, we are in the middle of Nicosia, in the more industrial type area, I'm thinking. Look, guys, we've got loads of stuff in this antique warehouse or yard, even an old car. Some interesting architectural bits and pieces. So it's more like a reclaim yard than anything. You can come down here and acquire some of these fantastic architectural bits and pieces for your garden perhaps. Brilliant. And I think the shop is round the corner, round the other side. Here we are, some more workshops. Maybe carpenters making furniture down here. All sorts of bits and pieces. Lots of carpentry shops down here, I think, originally. Right, let's go down here. There. Yes, if these walls could tell stories, it'd be very interesting. Oh, look at the gutter. That's gone right inside. That's a lead guttering, I do believe. Oh, 1 minute, we've got a ghost sign. Step back a bit. There we are. Oh, not sure what that is. A Taverna Diner. Oh. There we are. Oh, there's the mosque. Oh, it's all cordoned off, guys. It really is going through some massive restoration. Look at that. Wow. Right, I'll tell you what, let's go down this narrow passage. Yeah, they've put some protecting roofing up while they're restoring the mosque. You can buy all sorts of stuff down here, can't you guys? There's carpets and bags. Oh, what we got here? Is this the other side of the reclamation yard? Let's go and have a look, shall we? Some old doors and shutters. Oh, perhaps it is on the left. Okay, let's carry on down here anyway. Well guys, there's some fantastic architecture, isn't there? Now we'll finish this video here and then we'll carry on another video, so look out for the next video in this area. I hope you enjoyed the first video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.